Official Samsung Galaxy LED wallet case, £39. Is it worth it? So I just wanted to show a quick feature of the LED wallet case. It's pretty cool what you can do. So when you press the power button, it shows the time, and you can also see the custom made LED which I've assigned to my WhatsApp. Hey guys, it's Chu here. Today we'll be unboxing the official Samsung Galaxy LED wallet case cover. So I've cut the bottom of the packaging so that I can get this out much more easily. It's got the view of the case. It's got a power button, and the bottom is exposed. You got the signs for the power button and also for the Bixby button. Top part of the phone is protected by a plastic with the headphone jack, and this is what it comes with. And the material, it feels smooth, but at the same time very, very soft. And we've got the Samsung logo, and the material inside is even more softer than the outside of the case. So the first feature I'd like to discuss about is the LED that shows in front of the wallet case. So whenever you open the case and close it, it should show the time. But I do have another notification WhatsApp, so as you can see, you got the time here. And another feature is you're able to create a custom LED notification, which you can see from the W, which is assigned to my app WhatsApp. And you can do this by creating a custom LED notification, which I will show later. And another feature that's cool about this case is that you can also control the music on the front of the case, which I will show you guys now by playing the music. So as you can see, I'm playing some music right now, and you're able to pause the music, which is really cool. And then you're able to play the next music, go forward. So that's a really cool feature as well, to be able to control your music on the front of the wallet case cover. And that's really cool. So another cool feature is that you can answer calls on the LED wallet case. So I'm going to use my mom's phone to give myself a call, and let's show you guys it now. So I assigned a heart-shaped LED whenever my mom calls me, and you can also answer the call. So it's here, it's answering the call. So I'll be showing you guys the LED icons which you can assign to contacts or applications, and you can also create your own custom LED icons. So when you first install your S10 into the cover, you get a notification to ask you to install an LED icon editor, and when you do that, you get recommended themes as well from the Galaxy store. So let's get started with once you install the LED icon editor. So once you open the app, this is what you would get, and you can assign contacts. So what you saw earlier is a heart that popped up when my mom called me. So what I did was here, and you can click add, and then you can choose contacts. So it's pretty cool. When my mom calls me, I'll get a heart pop up on the front of my wallet case. You can also add notifications as well. So earlier you saw me have a WhatsApp W stood out, which was from a custom LED icon which I made. So you can add notifications, add and choose which apps you like. So I chose WhatsApp. Now to create a custom LED icon, when you're in the LED icon editor, you just click on the plus here, and we name it anything. We can name it as test, and we can say something like test, and we can just click save, and a new LED icon test is created. So we can either add call and the notifications, and you can add to WhatsApp again. So test. Let's see the custom made LED that we just created. As you can see, whenever I get a notification from WhatsApp, it will say test. For this wallet case, you also have a convenient card pocket inside as well, so you can put your card in it like this, so which is really awesome as well. So it's got multi-functionality wallet case, which I love about, which was the decision that wanted me to buy this case. I know it's not a card, but I love my Gregs. So thank you for watching my video, and so let me know if this video has helped show you the fancy features of the official LED wallet case, and whether or not you'll be getting one. And if you have any questions, just comment in the video below and I'll answer your questions.